Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for delicious okra with fried milkfish. First, brine the bangus or milkfish for 30 minutes. Sprinkle garlic salt and black pepper. Then add flour. Mix with your clean hands. Pour 1/4 cup of canola oil into a pan and heat it. Fry the milkfish until golden brown. Here are the ingredients you need to prepare for cooking okra with milkfish. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, okra, tomatoes, Siling Haba, garlic, onion, fried milkfish, the fish we cooked earlier. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in the pan. Sauté the garlic. And onion. Then add the tomatoes. Mix thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 2 pounds of sliced okra. Mix well. Add 3 Siling Haba. and the fried milkfish. Add a half cup of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes covered. Taste the sauce and add at least 1 teaspoon of garlic salt if needed. Plate the dish and enjoy. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.